How to fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechTube. So if you're having an issue where you cannot log into your Snapchat, there could be a few reasons why that may be happening, and there are a few solutions. Now the first thing that you can try out is you can try to update the app of Snapchat. Open up the App Store or the Play Store and search for Snapchat. Once you do that, you'll be able to see if there is an update or not. If there is, you can tap on it and update the app. Updating apps helps to fix any kinds of bugs which may be causing that issue. Now once you update it, check if that fixes the problem. If it still does not, you can now try to uninstall the app of Snapchat from your device and then again reinstall it. So quickly uninstall your Snapchat from your phone, and once it has been uninstalled, you can again download it and try to log in. If it still does not fix the issue, you can also try logging in from a desktop or a laptop. Snapchat now also allows users to log in and use Snapchat from the desktop or the laptops or a web browser. So you can try to do that, and if it still does not work, you'll need to wait out a couple of hours before you log in, because Snapchat must be facing an issue right now, and in order to resolve that issue, it will take a couple of hours. So you'll need to wait it out, and after a couple of hours you should be pretty much able to log into your account without having any issues. So that's going to be all for today's video. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.